In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use TikTok to grow your YouTube channel. Make sure that you stick around for all 4 tips. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I am Jonathan and I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. Hey, if you get value out of these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. So you want to grow your YouTube channel, but why the heck are we even looking at TikTok? It's a completely different social media platform. So with TikTok, it's kind of been crazy. The engagement has been going through the roof. So it's very easy to get a lot of eyes on your videos. Then again, why do you want to get followers on TikTok in order to help your YouTube channel? Well, in the bio for TikTok, there are 2 links by default and then a possible 3rd. And one of those 2 links is actually a link to your YouTube channel. You can make those links activated the second that you open up your TikTok account. So how can you use a link in your TikTok bio to grow your YouTube channel? And that brings me to tip number 1. The first thing that you could do is just create little mini teasers for your YouTube videos. For instance, you just talk about very briefly in like 15 seconds what your YouTube video is going to be about. Maybe shoot a little video of the thumbnail, and then at the end, give a call to action. Put it up on the screen, say YouTube link in the bio for the full video. Tell people what to do. If you don't tell people what to do, they're not going to do it. That means that at the very least, however many videos you put out a week, that's how many TikTok videos you already have planned out. So if you put out a video every day, you have a TikTok video for every single day. If you put one out once a week, you have one for that day. You could repurpose what you already have, maybe make a little commercial for it, and just see how it goes. So that actually brings me to my 2nd tip. So I briefly mentioned it during the 1st tip, but make sure that you are doing a call to an action. You do your video, and at the very end, you say, hey, go to my bio and check out the link to my YouTube channel. If you don't tell somebody to do something, they're definitely not going to do it. When you go to my YouTube channel, link is in the bio, you're telling them to, and a certain percentage of the people that see your video will follow through. And some of them will go to your bio, and a certain percentage of them will click on your YouTube channel. And then a certain percentage of them will actually subscribe. So by doing those small little tasks on TikTok, you're actually growing your YouTube channel faster. And that brings me to my 3rd tip. The easiest way to get a lot of engagement on TikTok is to make a lot of videos for TikTok. So I'd say minimum 3 a day, and they can only be like 15 seconds. Say you're doing the one I talked about, making a commercial for your YouTube video. Maybe that could be one of the videos for that day that your YouTube video comes out, but it could be something very simple. Think about your message, what you're trying to tell them to do. You don't necessarily have to tell them to go to a YouTube link, but it's built in and you can do it from the second that you start your account. But by simply making massive amount of videos, especially at the very beginning, you're going to just jumpstart and get so many people watching your videos that are just gonna go through and then pass through to your YouTube channel. And a little side note on that one, make sure that you're doing some hashtag research. Look at other people that are in your same niche and look at what hashtags they're using, and make sure that you're not jumping into like ones that just have billions, because you'll just get lost in the crowd. And now for the 4th tip, my favorite actually. Maybe just take the videos that you are posting on YouTube. How long is a typical YouTube video? I mean, average 10 minutes, give or take. I mean, there's no real restriction on, but an average YouTube video runs around 10 to 20 minutes on average. So if you took that video, you could technically split up the content into multiple TikTok videos. Say it's a top video, like you top 5 of something, top 10 of something. If you have 5 things that you have the top, do a TikTok video that's 15 seconds or even a minute long, and just talk about top 1 in the next one, and then the next day do top 2. Then the 3rd day do top 3, top 4, and then you could, if it's a 10, that takes care of 1 video for 10 based off of 1 YouTube video that you did. So let's quickly recap. You wanna create teasers for your YouTube videos and promote them on TikTok. You wanna have a strong call to action at the end of every single video. You wanna create a mass amount of videos, especially at the beginning. And then you could also split up your YouTube videos into multiple TikTok videos. And once they're on YouTube, you could use whatever method that you're currently using in order to monetize those people coming to your channel. I like to use affiliate marketing for that. The first link in my description is actually my #1 recommendation to get started making money online through affiliate marketing. So make sure that you check that link out. So are you gonna go try and use TikTok to grow your YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.